How to disable YouTube auto translation on mobile app. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open YouTube on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then, click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, click on the gear icon at the top right. After you click on here, click on Languages. And click on App Language. Select your preferred language, and then at the bottom, language you want to watch your videos in, which is preferred language. Click on preferred language, and after you've clicked on preferred language, you'll find all these languages. Simply select the one you prefer and press on confirm. After that, it won't auto-translate it for you. This is how to disable YouTube auto-translation on mobile app. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.